Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have got a lightmybricks set which is for the old fishing store 21310. Okay, so this set has really nice packaging, really good quality. Bring your Lego to life with lights, that's the plan. Hopefully I'll get all of these different sets and light up everything that I've got sets for at the moment. Let's take a look. It's just a magnet on the side there. Time to light up. Alright, just some information on that one. And a user guide. Don't have much experience with lights, I'm hoping it's easy to put together. So a lighting component. USB. And some lighting strips and Lego plates. And that's it for the box. I'm just going to look up the instructions online and then we can get these lights put inside the set. Alright, so I've got the laptop with the instructions. I have the set ready to go. Let's get rid of this. See what we need. And I got the strips and the plates. A couple of wires. Maybe a longer one. Got a small bulb on the end. And a USB connection. Alright, let's work this one out. Alright, overall that wasn't too difficult. It was very fiddly at times, but there's actually not that many lights with this one. I'll just turn the light off so if you can see. So it adds a decent amount of light. So it had the small lamp inside, got the lamp outside there. There's a strip underneath the Anton's bait shop sign. There's the lamp on the side, and then the remaining two strip lights are inside lighting up the interior. Actually, it gives out a fair amount of light. I would say if you're going to do these with other sets, it might even be an idea to have the light kit ready when you're putting the set together. It might be easier to hide some of the wires. They're not too bad here, you can see a little bit of one there. Might have to mess about with the interior one there because you can see the fair amount of that. And it'll just be a case of hiding the ones at the back. But alrighty, I shall get that put in the city, and that should look pretty cool. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.